Alright guys, it's Sunday the 21st, January 2026. My morning check-in with you guys. Nice and sober, clean, feeling great. Just gonna go chase these sheep away quickly because I basically have the only green garden in this area. They've annihilated it a few times, so sure they're gonna want to mess with it again. Sorry man, sorry guys, I wasn't planning on doing this. Come on, come little sheep. Off you go. Come, don't be lazy. There we go. Easy, easy. Come on. Off you go. Go on, go on, go on, go on. Come, you guys as well. Off you go. Come, you little diabolical garden killers. Yes. Don't jump off there, fool. Love the way they wag their tails, these little kids. They're so cute. I would love to have a whole bunch of these little guys. I'm happy to operate with them, but just properly. You know? Can't have them waltzing around everywhere and rotational cropping. Anyways, yeah. So day 5 of my check-in. But yeah, we're gonna keep strong. I'll touch base with you this afternoon, nice and clean and sober, and we'll just keep at it. Have an awesome day, guys, and I'll get back to you when I get back to you. Cool. Bye. Hi, this is the second check-in of the day 5 of no drinking. My 1 to 30 day stay sober challenge. It is the 25th of January 2026, Sunday. Still sober, still clean. Well, I'm still sober and I'm clean. And I showed up, still here. So just one or two things I want to get out of the way quickly. I had a little bit of admin error, a little bit of logistics yesterday. I didn't manage to post what I wanted to yesterday, and I thought I wouldn't be able to today. Luckily I can, so I'm quickly going to post yesterday and today's today. So my apologies for that. Yes, and then there's something else I wanted to tell you guys. Oh yeah, this morning I realized something. So keeping busy is great. Yeah, it's great. Just keep as busy as you can. That's one of the things I've been leveraging quite heavily over the past couple of days. But it's kind of like you go through a honeymoon phase and the novelty wears off. So just to upgrade a little bit, I also realized my bed, everything was scrumpled up in the corner, and I was basically sitting on the mattress. And I realized, and there was a whole bunch of stuff out of place there. And I realized I actually couldn't start with this or anything, pretty much, until it was clean and done. I think it adds like a cognitive load. So subconsciously, even though consciously you think, I'm just got something more important to do, I'll do that later. While you're trying to do that thing subconsciously, you know you still have to do that. So it's additional cognitive load. So it kind of weighs down on you. Anyways, I don't know. All I realized is I can't start unless I make your bed and tidy your environment. It doesn't have to be clean. It must be clean up to a level of satisfaction. But definitely make your bed and tidy your environment and clean it and keep busy. That's something I'm focusing on very heavily these couple of days. It might sound normal or like ABCs for an adult, you know, obviously no. But definitely if you're in this situation you might forget. I don't know, it's something that's helped me out quite a lot. Just trying to remember if there's anything else I should tell you guys. Yes, so leveling up, slowly improving one day at a time, and showing up. Keeping busy, keeping clean, keeping tidy, and the last thing is eating, definitely. I've started eating breakfast and lunch and supper now, so 3 meals a day. I started last night with my fried rice, and I had breakfast this morning and I had lunch, and tonight I'll have supper, and then tomorrow morning I might actually start gymming and meditating. Yes, so if you're following along, thanks for being here. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. I'll check in tomorrow. And if it's your first time here, welcome. Thank you very much. Welcome to the channel. And if you want to follow along with me, you're more than welcome. You can join me again tomorrow. that's it from my side. See you then, guys. Alright, bye.